Now for this craft we need some tools to provide supervision, like scissors. So have fun creating this project with a parent adult. This is what you need to get started with this project. Now, first we're gonna cut the paper into 2 halves.
This is very good.
Almost there. There. Now, we're gonna tape them together. Not too much. And I need 2 pieces.
Do you need this?
No. I have scissors. Now, let's get started. Got it. Now, and one more. So sticky. Aha! Finally! I knew I'd get loose someday, somehow. And got it. Not too sticky. Make this so you can remember everything to do this project. Now I need one more piece of